Alright, so this is gonna be the first startup of the Goldwing. My 1978 Honda Goldwing right here. Built it from the ground up. Let's see if what it sounds like right here. Let's press the start button. Let's go. Oh, actually, let's turn on the fuel. Let's do that. Oh no. Give it a few minutes. Oh, let's take these off. Right, boom, boom. I just took out the baffles. I haven't heard it since I took out that off. I'm probably gonna put the plastic piece later. It's just falling off. It broke off these things, but right now, let's try to get it started. Come on. The fuel. Okay, the battery is dying. Okay, I'll get back to it. We'll see if it's getting fuel first. Actually, I have starter fluid. I have brake fluid. Let's try that. Never mind. I'm low on brake fluid. So what else is flammable over here? Okay, once this starts, I'll warm it up a little bit. And right now it's like plus 15. So, and it's my first time riding since winter time, because I live in Canada. And I don't know, how do I take this off? This. Oh, it's starting. Oh, actually, I can just go over here. Yeah, it's not getting fuel, so this is so unfortunate. I don't have no brake clean anymore. Really. The time I need brake clean. Oh, never mind. I found a bottle. Hopefully it has some. Oh no. It doesn't have any as well. Good God. Do I have some out here? Probably not. Is WD-40 flammable, guys? Oh, let's see. Whew, that sounds good, kind of. I don't know if this is healthy for the engine. I think I might have flooded it, guys. I might have flooded the engine. This might be the best fail ever. I'm trying to ride because it's beautiful weather out, but it's not making me, it's not letting me actually. But as you guys heard it, it sounds good a little bit. It's like a raspy roar kind of vibe. Maybe this. This does say it is butane. I don't know if that's good for the engine, but we will try our best. Right? This is so perfect. If I catch on fire, guys, we will have it on video. Yep. I just need it to go a little bit more. Forgot the choke. Maybe that's why. Woo! Let's go. Maybe that's why it wasn't running, because the choke had to be choked. That makes sense, right? Good, good. Let's go. All right, let's hear this. Let's go! Alright, so I'm gonna put some shoes on and let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so for right now, this is gonna be like the first shakedown of the motorcycle. Since I got it running and whatever. I already have a few things. That's what's wrong with it. Oh, it's on the reserve. Let's put it on. And it's 15. It's kind of cold still, but we are going for a ride because we haven't rode in almost 6 months now, I think. I have no clue. And yeah, let's take this out. All right, nice. It's the Goldwing right here. This is the good side because it has the cover, but the battery one, I'm gonna makeshift some mount over there later, but sounds good pretty much. Yeah, my dad approves. Thumbs up. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna meet up with my buddy here. It's really clunky. It's not as smooth as the Husqvarna, my 701, but it sure is still fun. It's a different kind of fun. Oh my god. All right, I still know how to ride. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm gonna go into a puddle. 1 second. Right now. Okay. Sounds good though. And I'm used to having a single clutch, single finger, so this whole hand thing is kind of throwing me off because I feel like I'm not holding the whole bike, but I think I have it in gear, right? Yep, I have it in gear. We good. Oh, I missed the gear. Let's go! My helmet's still. My helmet's still noisy. But right now, I don't going the time of my life. Let's go. Woo! First shakedown though. It feels good. Oh, yep. That's okay. Feels so different though than my other bike. Alright, temperature seems alright. I don't see leaking or anything. Shouldn't. Still stops. It got some git. Right now there's a lot of gravel on the road, but I just try to look past it right now. It's a really like an on-off switch on this thing. There's no smooth transition to, you know, but right now I'm just trying to get through rush hour. It is only like 3 o'clock, but I didn't even check the tires. I should have done that, but I'll check that in a bit. Hopefully. Oh, that scared me a little. I like how it's just like subtle and not as noisy as the other one. Just like a, you know, hey, just a little bit. This is a more relaxed stance, let's just say. Oh no. Oh god. Sorry boys. Let's go! Oh my god, this is a different riding experience. It just feels so planted. Yes, the wind is hitting me, but it's not throwing me off like boom, 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 boom. We out here. We out here for the show. We're alive and well. Voltage, fuel is full. Coolant's still good. No engine lights or anything. Doggy. I don't want to die. Come in, baby. Come in. Come in. Oh. I just have to get used to the braking on this one. Too bad though. It feels comfortable. Woo! Only I wanted a split, I would. But let's be a law-abiding citizen, because I am. I am a law-abiding citizen. But if you see a gap like that, you go and take it, and you go, fuck! I'm going the speed limit, boys. I am going the speed limit. It is a closed track, too, if ever. I am going the speed limit, boys. You guys can't tell. These people just drive slow. Woo. I keep fucking it up on second gear on this thing. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Oh, I'm gonna wait till this guy goes. I'm good. Here's my body. All right. That's what it sounds like. That's my first drive. That's what it looks like. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's like the very first ride. That's my reactions, and yeah, I like the motorcycle right now. Looks good, looks vintage. Hello, buddy. Okay lang. You locked it?
Wala pa ito.
Wala.